Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk through the complete architecture of a flight reservation application step by step. Whether you are a beginner or looking to strengthen your understanding of end-to-end application design, here you go. This video is for you. This is the architecture of flight reservation application. Here we are having the first component or the first step is the user registration page. We begin with the user registration page. Here the user provides all the necessary details such as username, password, email and phone number. Once the user submits the form, they are redirected to the login page. This ensures only registered users can access the application. That means once the user fills all the details, all the attributes of user registration page, what it will do is that will get registered and redirect to the login page component. And the next one is the login page. At the login page, users authenticate themselves using the credentials they registered with upon successful login. Then the user is redirected to the flight details page. After successfully entering and being authenticated in the login page with the credentials which are username and password, then it will get redirected to the flight details page. Here the flight details page. Then the flight details page displays a list of available flights. This flight details page, what it will do is it will display the list of available flights. Then users can browse through the list and choose the flight they wish to book. Once a flight is selected in the flight details page, the user proceeds with the next step, which is the complete reservation page, On this page, the user enters all the passenger details required to finalize the booking. Here in the complete reservation page, the user the passenger will enter all the passenger required details to finalize the booking. After entering the details and clicking on submit, then what it will happen is the two things will get triggered or it will happen. All the details, the complete details will get stored in the MySQL database and email itinerary is generated and sent to the user registered email address via Gmail. Then after clicking on submit, what it will happen is all the details, all the complete passenger required reservation details get stored in the MySQL database and an email itinerary will be sent to the Gmail, user's registered Gmail or email address. Okay, then the next thing is passenger information. Here we could see that getting passenger info from complete reservation page. Along with the reservation application, this is about the complete flight reservation application. Along with the reservation application, we also have a separate microservice, which is a passenger information application. We also have a separate microservice that calls the passenger information application. This microservice this microservice, what it will do is it will retrieve the stored passenger information from the database through the flight reservation application. Through the internally, we are using some REST clients or REST templates in order to get the data, passenger related data from the flight reservation application. Okay, this is all about the components that we have been used inside the flight reservation application, which is user registration page that redirects to the login page, and that login page, after successful authentication, it will get redirect to the flight details, and after successfully selecting and booking the flight which we want, then it will redirect to the complete reservation page. After filling all the details, an email itinerary will be sent to the corresponding registered Gmail, and also complete details will get stored in the MySQL DB. Along with that, another microservice, which is passenger information application, will be there to get the each passenger complete details from the flight reservation application through the some REST clients or REST templates or some web clients we will use in the coming coding sessions. That wraps up the architecture overview of flight reservation and passenger information application. In the next coming video, we will dive into the actual code and see how to build each of these components in Spring Boot microservice. Thank you.